In this lecture, we are going to design the slide 2 and complete the design process. First, let's start with replacing the icons. Let's go to Insert, Icons, and choose this camera icon, this person icon, and a guitar icon. Click Insert. This will insert all the 3 icons. Let me separate them. Go to Graphic Tools Format and then Size. These are of 2.54 centimeters, whereas the computer is of 1.3 centimeters. So let's resize it. Move it here. Place the guitar here and the person here. Let's ungroup this and ungroup this by pressing Ctrl+Shift+G. Now let's change the color of these 3 to white by changing the graphic fill. Now choose this icon too and go to Align, Align Center. Also Align Distribute Vertically. That's it. Now we can group them together back. Ctrl+G. Ctrl+G. Ctrl+G and again. Now these are all grouped together. Let me change the heading to 2. Here heading to 3. Here the heading to 4. Similarly, let me change the circle color. Selecting this circle, go to Drawing Tools Format tab, Shape Fill to this color. The heading, text fill to this color. Similarly, the next circle, shape fill to this one and heading to this one, that remains same. So let's come to the next one. And the text fill. Similarly for the last one. Now we just need to change the color of this connector and add few more connectors between this triangle and these circles. Go to Insert, Shape, double-headed arrow, connect from here to here. Similarly, take it again and join these 2 dots. You can also take the elbow connector from here. Now let's change the colors. Also, let's change these alignments by using these yellow dots so that it looks uniform. So select all these, right click, go to Format Object and change the dash type to dots or round dot and the cap type to round. Begin arrow type to oval, end arrow type to oval, and increase the line width to 1 points. That's it. We have completed designing this slide 2. In the next lecture, let's animate this slide.